Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be solving LeetCode 349, intersection of two arrays. Feel free to pause the video to read through what the problem is asking for, but I find the examples more descriptive. Okay, given two arrays, nums1 and nums2, and these two arrays are probably going to have common elements. We want to return the common element, but the key phrase here, or the key word, is unique. The result has to be unique. In this example, 2 appears twice here, 2 appears twice here, so obviously these two 2's are common to both arrays. But however, we just want to return 2, single 2. Okay, we're gonna go right ahead and jump into the code because that's what this is all about. Okay, so the first step is what I want to do. The first step is to create a list or an array where I'm gonna store the results. Okay, an empty array for now. Then what I want to do next is convert these two guys, these two arrays, num1 and num2, to sets. So that way we take out the non-unique elements. So I'm just gonna say nums1, let's go set. I'm going to create a new variable, colon equals set of num1. So the set function is provided by Python, and it just converts, it just removes the non-unique elements involved. So I'm going to do the same for num2. Nums2 set of nums2. So now we have both elements but just unique. Now we want to iterate through nums2. So I'm going to say for num in nums2 set. Okay, if this number on, if this specific number were on, let me go ahead and leave a space just for visualization purposes. If this number were on, it's also in set 1, num1 set. The specific number we're on is also in set 1. We want to append him to our results, so we're just gonna say result. That number. Okay, then at the end of our for loop, we just want to return the results. Okay, let's go ahead and run this code just to see what's going on. Okay, accepted. Let's go ahead and submit it. Bam, passed. 80 percentile, 74 percentile. Not bad. So let's take it one step further. As always, we're going to visualize what's going on. So visualize the exercise. Okay, first step, we declare a function, create our inputs, nums1 and nums2, call our function. So now we're in the function scope. Okay, we pass in nums1 and nums2 into the function. Okay, first we're going to create our empty list results. Bam, we have an empty list result. Then we're going to convert num1 and num2 into sets. So just watch the difference now. So we've created num1 set. Num1 set only contains the unique elements in nums1. We're going to do the same thing with num2. Num2 set only contains the unique elements in num2. Okay, now we're going to do a for loop. For in num2, obviously there's only one item in num2, so you're just going to run once. Okay, if this item is also in num1, we're going to add him to our results list, which is currently empty. Bam, we add him. And once we're done iterating, we're just going to return our results. Bam, so our return value is results, which is 2, and we're going to print into the screen. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.